Everyone, JB's Universe here, back again with another video. I have a surprise for you guys. Remember that 4 months ago I did a video with my friend Mark, a Pokemon battle with cards? Well, check this out. Bam! Do you know what those things are? If you said Yu-Gi-Oh cards, you're stupid. If you said Pokemon cards, get. Anyways, check this out. I'm going to share with you guys my Pokemon card collection that I traded for. First we have Exeggutor. I know he doesn't seem strong, but check this power level. 160. Next is my boy Cinderace. I already had a Cinderace, but with my battle with Mark, but look at this battle. Look at his power. And then we have Great Tusk EX. Its power level is 260. Not even Cinderace can match that. And then we have Tinkaton. Power level ain't that good. Then we have Iron Moth Future. Power level to 120. Cerulege. Yeah, we can't go wrong with a Cerulege. Power level crazy. Oh my god, another surprise for you guys. We also we don't just have Cerulege, we also have Armarouge. What the hell? Hold on. There we go. And his power Cerulege is 10 power level stronger. Then we have Hypno. He's at level. He has a level 100 attack. A Gardevoir, mommy, 190. Then we have Iron Valiant. Let me see here. Her power level is 120. Then we have Mew. We all know Mew's a her because it's the mother of Mewtwo. Her power level is 70, but it's a V though. Then we have Iron Valiant EX, way stronger than the original Iron Valiant. Then we have Flare Mane, Iron Jugulis, Iron Thorns, and Screamtail. Then we also have Mosshold EX, 120. Wait, hold up. Hey, yo, what that mouth do? Nom, incensors. What that mouth do? Alright. Raichu, Thunder, 180. Wow. And finally, the best for last. Oh. The things I would do to her. I'm feeling romantic. No, let me just stop playing. Anyways, guys, that was my new Pokemon card collection. I hope you enjoyed. Just make sure to like, comment, subscribe. JB's Universe, signing out.